Sorry about that, guys. So like I was saying today is just going to be a comparison of both my Hinge, something less than 300s, and my Asp Model 100 chain cuffs. So I'll start off with my Hinge. So basically, one of the good things with the Hinge is your suspect has less control. So basically, and then also it has like I believe different 19 different locking positions I can put it in. So, and then it has the keyhole on one side, not like the Asp, but it does have the double locking on both sides, which I kind of like that feature. It's pretty much it on these. Also, they are also shorter than the Asp cuffs, so a little bit shorter. Now on to Asp. I have nothing but good things to say about these. So these are my Asp Model 100 chain cuffs. So as you can see, they're chained. So you got rotating feature. These have like 21 different locking positions. They are bulky, so they will not just fit your standard handcuff holder. These are my primaries. These are my go-to ones for since I am having to deal with a non-compliant. That's when I'll use my hinged, or if I have to use both pairs. Another thing about these two is there's actually keyholes on both sides, and you can lock it using this little peg over, or you could put it in the keyhole. Use the key to lock, double lock, which I like that feature. I haven't had to use these yet. Hopefully I never do. But hey, and then I do leave them loaded. And I've been trying to get other friends so I do handcuffing techniques, but unfortunately that hasn't happened yet. So yeah. So pretty much these are my handcuffs. And then you guys also asked me to show you, and you guys asked me to do a Q&A, which I'm not gonna. You guys have asked me to do a Q&A. Well, I don't know your name, but you asked me to do a Q&A. I asked my department if I could do one, and kind of give the age limit and stuff. They told me they really would not. They didn't want me doing that, so I'm sorry on the Q&A. Until I can find. Guys, just the way I'll do my Q&A will not be in the video. It will be, yeah, I'll go live with it. I'll do a video, but you guys just email me the questions. I'll leave my email in the link that you have for me. Just and then I'll go through and I'll answer them for you. All right, have a good one. Peace out. Oh, and then I am gonna be doing video game recordings for you guys once, so check that out. I'll try to post on it at least every day. Big shout out to Unit 88. Be safe out there, brother. Shout out to Making Mo Vlogs, Officer 411, and Mike the Cop. Be safe out there, brother. As well as can't think police officer and deputy. Sorry if I get your name mispronounced. Deputy Tanum. I'm not sure how to say your name, but I Mike the Cop Officer 401, Mikey Mo Vlogs. I'm a big fan, so please give this video a like, comment, and give my video a like, comment, and I'll see you on the next one.